Hello everyone, it's Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. Video today is for cloning ECU. As you can see guys, I got two ECU here. Those ECU is for Vauxhall Corsa and I believe this is diesel engine, 1.3 diesel, and as you can see guys, this is actual new and this is a genuine ECU from the car. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to read all the information from this ECU and transfer everything back to the ECU. As you can see guys, the part number on both ECU is exactly same. So I'm gonna take this one here. Let me just point my camera here. So by the way, I'm going to use FC200 CG FC200, and this is the actual package. So let me just point my camera right here. So I'm gonna try to open FC200 and we just press OK. So from here we go to the Bosch search, and what we're going to do, let me go show you guys. This is the actual Bosch number, so I'm going to type the Bosch number just to the website. So the Bosch number is 0281 019 616. So I'm going to search, and as you can see guys, this is the actual ECU number, EDC17C59. So we're gonna save this one here. So we go here. So I'm gonna open, let me just bring that one up, and then we can see the actual ECU number. So I'm going to look for Vauxhall. I think it's all the way down here. Vauxhall, yeah, that's a Vauxhall, and this is Vauxhall Corsa. I believe it's Corsa D, and yeah, 1.3 diesel. And as you can see guys, this is the actual ECU number, Bosch EDC17C59. So I'm gonna do that one. And yeah, this is a wiring diagram. It's very easy wiring diagram. It's plus, minus, and we go here, I think this is a GPTO, and this is another plus, can low, can high, and we have one GPT1 here as well. So let me do the wiring diagram and I'll be back. Alright guys, as you can see, I done all the wiring diagram. My FC200 is connected to my laptop. As you can see, I connect the 12 volt power supply as well. So let me point my camera just right here again. So let me just go back to the CF200 software. So we're gonna go to ID first, connecting. As you can see guys, everything is nice connect. So we're gonna read the D flash first. That's very quick. So I'm gonna just save that one on my desktop, and this is a D flash ORG. I'll just save it as a ORG. So now we're gonna read the P flash. Oh guys, this is the actual P Flash. I'm gonna save that one as org as well, so I'll save that one on my desktop. Now I think it's good now. Here let me just double check everything here is good. This is order number, yeah, that's nice. So as you can see guys, everything already wrote. Backup data successful. Alright, so everything is good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect everything, and then I want to plug back the donor ECU, and we're going to try to write everything back to the actual donor ECU. So what I'm going to do here, I just press back and then just leave it here. So what I do, I just try to disconnect the power, and I will transfer all the wiring back to the donor ECU, just like this. Alright guys, I connect everything back to the donor ECU, so I'm gonna just connect the 12 volt power back to my laptop. So I'm gonna click again. Now I'm gonna connect. Connecting success. Alright, so from here I'm going to write the D flash, press yes, and this is the genuine D flash from the genuine ECU. Okay, write data successful. Now I'm gonna write the P flash, yes. So this is the actual P flash, original P flash, open. Do you need to verify the file to be writing verify? Yes, so it's better we just do to the server. As you can see guys, now the network is just verify the file. Now loading the file loaded successful, connecting to the server. Now let's just, as you can see guys, write data successful, perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just from here, actually I press back, we disconnect the power, and I'm going to take that one off, and actually I'm going to take all the wiring out. Yeah, and yeah, and that's it guys. That's how you clone the Bosch ECU on Vauxhall Corsa 1.3 diesel. So obviously now both ECU exactly same, so you don't need to do any programming, any key coding, nothing, just plug and play. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, thank you very much for watching.